Hey everyone, and welcome to this Solidworks tutorial in which we will learn how to create this exploded view for the robotic gripper. We have modeled and assembled all the parts for this robotic gripper in our previous videos, so let's begin with the exploded view. So here we have the assembled robotic gripper. First we need to move into the configuration tab, then we need to right click here and select new exploded view. After that we have basically here two options, so let me select the first option and then I will select all the blue colored pins as you can see it from here. So one by one I will select all the pins, and for example if accidentally I select some other part just like this, we only have to select that one more time to get rid of it. So we are done with the selection. Now we need to move this in Z direction or any other direction, but Z is better. So I will move in up, or you can say Z direction. Then we need to come down and click on done button, and if accidentally you press enter button or check this box, then you need to drop down again and right click on the exploded view and select the added feature. So you are basically back to where you were. Then I will select these two and I will select this in X direction, drag in the X direction as you can see it from here, then select the done button. After that I will select both of these and basically I want to select the other option, so let me clear the selection, check this box and right click here and get back to the edit feature. Now we have that second option enabled, so I will select the second option. I will select both of these and move in this direction. The second option will enable the parts to move away from each other. Then select the none button. I will select the first option again and I will select these two connecting links and move in up direction and check the box. For the second time I will select the second option and move them away from each other just like that. Select the done button, and then we have these drives. So for the jaw drive I will select the second option and drag them away from each other just like that by using this arrow, then select the done button. After that we have these smaller parts, we call them as rocker, so I will move them away from each other just like that, then select the done button. After that we have this slider, so I will select this first option and move in one direction. For the second type we must have at least two parts to move them away from each other, so for one part we have to select the first type. Then move this stepper motor away by using the first type. Then we have these screws, so let me select all of the four screws and then move into the direction of the stepper motor just like that. Okay, and finally we have, I think, this motor mount bracket, so I will move this in forward direction, and I think that's it. So this is the exploded view. Now let me enter the button. You need to right click on the exploded view and click on edit feature if you want to make some changes, as you can see it from here, but we don't need to make any changes, so I will check the box. In order to animate it, you need to right click on the exploded view and click on animate, and if it is not being animated you need to hit the play button. And basically we have modeled all the parts of this robotic gripper. In this series we learn how to assemble this gripper in Solidworks, and this video explains how to create the exploded view of this robotic gripper. If you find this whole series or this video well, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.